Block 6. Example. Japanese narration. 花 English narration. Flower. Example. Japanese narration. 草 English narration. Grass. Example. Japanese narration. 虫 English narration. Insect bug. Example. Japanese narration. 犬 English narration. Dog. Example. Japanese narration. 人 English narration. Person. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration. 花が色とりどりに咲きました。English narration. Many colorful flowers bloomed. Example. Japanese narration. 犬と一緒に散歩しました。English narration. I took a walk with my dog. Block 7. Example. Japanese narration. な English narration. Name. Example. Japanese narration. 夕 English narration. Evening. Example. Japanese narration. 本 English narration. Book. Example. Japanese narration. 文 English narration. Sentence writing. Example. Japanese narration. 字 English narration. Character letter. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration. 私の名前は桜です。English narration. My name is Sakura. Example. Japanese narration. 夕焼けがとても綺麗でした。English narration. The evening sunset was very beautiful. Block 8. Example. Japanese narration. 学ぶ English narration. Study. Example. Japanese narration. 校 English narration. School. Example. Japanese narration. 田 English narration. Rice field. Example. Japanese narration. 天 English narration. Sky heaven. Example. Japanese narration. 生生きる English narration. Life to live. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration. 学校で楽しく学びました。English narration. I enjoyed learning at school. Example. Japanese narration. 天に広がる雲を見ました。English narration. I saw clouds spreading across the sky. Block 9. Example. Japanese narration. 火 English narration. Fire. Example. Japanese narration. 水 English narration. Water. Example. Japanese narration. 王 English narration. King. Example. Japanese narration. 玉 English narration. Ball jewel. Example. Japanese narration. 竹 English narration. Bamboo. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration. 火を使わないでください。English narration. Please do not use fire. Example. Japanese narration. 竹の林を散歩しました。English narration. I took a walk in a bamboo forest. Block 10. Example. Japanese narration. 糸 English narration. Thread. Example. Japanese narration. 貝 English narration. Shell. Example. Japanese narration. 石 English narration. Stone. Example. Japanese narration. 赤 English narration. Red. Example. Japanese narration. 青 English narration. Blue. Example sentences. Example. Japanese narration. 赤い糸を使って縫いました。English narration. I sewed with red thread. Example. Japanese narration. 青い海で貝を拾いました。English narration. I picked up shells at the blue sea.